In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Kia Sportage. Pretty easy process. Most newer vehicles have electronic parking brakes. This one does not. Still the old-fashioned pedal brake. If you look right through there, you'll see the push on off pedal just to the left of the brake pedal. You're just going to push down on that, and when you do push down on that, a nice red brake is going to pop up on the dash telling you that the parking brake or emergency brake has been set. To release that parking brake, you're just going to press on it again to turn it off, and when you do that, you'll notice that the light on the dash pops off as well. Now that the parking brake is now disengaged. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.